I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and in the repository. Now locate the file you want to remove. Click the branch selector first to confirm you're on the correct branch, because deleting on the wrong branch can affect your workflow. Once you find the file in the tree or via search, click its file name to open the file view. Make sure you have write access. If you don't, request a collaborator or fork the repo before proceeding. From the file view, click the trash can icon or the edit button and then the delete this file option. This triggers a commit that records the deletion. In the commit form, write a concise message explaining why you removed the file. This documents intent for reviewers. Choose to commit directly to the branch or start a new branch and open a pull request. Use a PR when you want peer review. Once you commit, GitHub updates history and removes the file from the selected branch. After committing, verify the file no longer appears in the branch file list and inspect the commit history to confirm the deletion entry. If you deleted the file by mistake, you can restore it by reverting that commit or by checking out the file from the prior commit and recommitting. This preserves history. If you are blocked by permissions, make sure you have write access or fork the repo and submit a pull request. Remember, clear commit messages make recovery and audits much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.